Welcome back to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Now, if you watched my previous video, I showed you how to break down a Costco chicken. And now we're going to be using the meat from that chicken to make barbecue chicken naan pizza. The ingredients for the barbecue chicken naan bread pizza are really very simple. For the meal for one, we're going to start off with 2 naan breads. These are the mini naan breads, the original. So these are the kind that I'm buying. So mini naan breads. And then we have 6 ounces of the Costco diced chicken. I have a little tomato. You can leave that out if you don't like tomato. Some onion, some garlic powder, some barbecue sauce, and some mozzarella cheese. So I've preheated my oven to 375 degrees. And I'm going to put the naan bread in and cook it for about 5 minutes just to get it started and so that it has a good brown crust on the bottom. Okay, so our naan bread has been in the oven for about 5 minutes at 375 degrees. So to assemble the barbecue chicken pizza, the sauce is actually going to be your barbecue sauce. So just put a little bit on there, however much you want. So I'll spread it around like it is pizza sauce. And then we'll start adding our ingredients. Now we have tomato, onion, the chicken, and mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put a little mozzarella cheese on the bottom for binding. And then the chicken. Now this is 6 ounces total of the chicken. You can use all of it or not. I'm going to try to use most of it here just for the protein. Those are going to be piled high. Next, you can use some red onion. I didn't have any red onion, so I'm just going to use some thinner slices of regular onion. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of tomato on there. You don't have to put tomato on if you don't like. A little garlic powder over the top. And some cheese right on top. Okay, and we will put that back in the oven and let it cook until it's nice and brown. Now the barbecue chicken naan bread pizza is out of the oven. You can cook it to your desired crispiness. Very crispy on the bottom. A little bit brown on top. Looking good. Now for serving, you could actually put more barbecue sauce on it if you like. Now both of these is actually a serving for one person. You could make it for 1 or 2 people. This is 6 ounces of chicken, which is about 30 grams of protein for this meal. There you go. You could put more barbecue sauce on top. Let's do a taste test on the barbecue chicken naan bread pizza. The naan bread is very crispy. Mozzarella cheese on there is good and gooey. The onions provide a little snap that goes great with the chicken. And the chicken is substantial. It's piled pretty high. It's really good. I think you should try this in your meals for one lineup using the Costco Rotisserie chicken. It's excellent. I hope you'll join me for more Meals for One on Hope's Homemade Kitchen. We'll see you next time.